guys, it's Alyssa, Funko, and I'm here today with a knife. And ow! Happy New Year! New Year's coming up. I wish you guys a Happy New Year. I hope you guys have fun. I hope you guys are safe. I'm going out New Year's Eve, maybe. Who knows? But I hope if you guys are safe and you have fun and bring in the new year, and let's hope next year's better than this year. Yeah. Anyways, so to bring in the new year, I am doing a mail haul. That really hurts. I have lots of boxes from Target, Amazon, Hot Topic, popping off toys. You know. So we're going to dive into that. But before I do, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel and check out the links down below. There's a bunch of cool stuff. My affiliate links to different companies, Poppin' Off Toys and Entertainment Earth, my merch store, and so on and so forth. Check it out, guys. It's pretty cool. Anyways, we're going to start off with this itty bitty box. This is from Entertainment Earth. That knife is really sharp. I am bleeding. Ooh. Okay, alright. We have John Lennon. I have the other John Lennon, the Funko Shop exclusive right here, actually. But this is another John Lennon. Cool. Okay. Next up we have a box from Hot Topic. Let's see what we got. Alright. We got ooh, yes! She's so pretty. My finger hurts. It is the Hot Topic exclusive Diamond Edition Ariel. It's like the little scene. Okay, it's right here. Like with her. Yeah, you guys get the idea. This one is fully glitter. Like, it's pretty. Check that out. I love Diamond Edition Pops. I've said that a million times, but this one is really, really pretty. So, awesome. I'm going to keep checking my finger. It hurts really bad. While on the subject of Hot Topic, there's another Hot Topic box right here. So, we'll just go ahead and pop this one open also. Let's see what we got. We have a very big box with one single pop character in it. Let's see what we got. It is Punchline from the 2021 Fall Convention. Yeah. Anyways, Punchline. More of a Harley person myself, but we'll go with it. It's whatever. It is a really cool pop, I will say. I like her outfit. I like the colors. It's pretty. Okay, let's go with this Amazon box next. Let's see what we got from Amazon. Great. Haha, we have it. I'm gonna butcher this, guys. Yara Floor. The Future State? What is this? Funko Rivet. In the main timeline, she's Wonder Girl, learning to fight for justice and what she believes. And in the DC Future State, she emerges from the Amazon rainforest as a new Wonder Woman to protect all humankind from dangerous acts. Aww. Oh, that's cool. Pops with a purpose. It says Andreas something Gomez is also a fighter who's embracing a heroic calling. Her goal is to preserve the cultural heritage of indigenous communities in Mexico while supporting young women to become fierce advocates for their rights. And there's like her picture on the back. So that's actually really cool. I like this. I like this a lot. There it is. Nice. I'm here for it. Alright, next up we have a box from the Funko Shop. I've actually had this one sitting here for like a hot minute, and I haven't, like, it got lost, and then I found it, so now we're opening it. And it's not coming out. Wally! It is the Funko Shop exclusive Wally with hubcap. He's got like this little hubcap hat. That's adorable. Look how cute he is. I have not watched Wally in like a hot minute, but really cute movie. If you haven't seen it, what are you doing with your life? Okay. Alright, next box is also from the Funko Shop. Woo! What are you, buddy? Alright. I'm seeing a Funko Freddy. I'm seeing Aang. I'm seeing Basketball Freddy. Hold on. We got a few more boxes. Alright, and that looks like a blacklight box. Alright, let's see what we got, guys. First box is the Blacklight Jimi Hendrix from the 2021 Fall Convention. Ooh. I love his hair. I love what they did with his hair with like the different colors and stuff. This is a really well done blacklight, I will say. Very colorful. Yeah, cute. Okay. So next up that came out is the 2021 Fall Convention Aang. Look at the wind. Funko has done a lot of cool things with Avatar: The Last Airbender pops. I like the one where he's like got all the elements around him. That's a really cool pop. But I will say Funko's been doing a really good job with doing some cool stuff with him. Next up we have this box. I've been needing this one. The Funko Shop exclusive Jasmine. I do have Ariel, Tiana, and Aurora. They're still sitting right beside me. But it comes with like the little pins. Her pin is down here. It's fallen a little bit. But it's like their gold sparkly outfits. And then they have their pins with them. This is a really cool collection. I really like this. I think it's really pretty. And then we have our Funko Shop. Why'd I read Funko Shop? I'm sorry. 2021 Fall Convention Basketball Freddy. Look how cute he is in his little basketball outfit. Adorable. Next up, we have a box from someone that I bought this off of. Let's see how well. It's been a hot minute since I bought like a secondhand, bought from a secondhand seller. But this pop was one that I needed for a certain collection, and I missed it on the convention, and I missed it for the McDonald's website. And this is actually really well shipped, and it looks actually it looks good. But it is the 2021 Fall Convention Pumpkin McNugget. I have the rest of the McDonald's collection, and this is the only one I was missing. I couldn't get it on the convention, as most people. I got like nothing for the convention and had to buy everything on the second day with the different sticker. And then, they dropped it on the McDonald's website. Didn't get it there either. So, secondhand seller. Did come very well, though. It does look very nice. But it's a pumpkin nugget. It's super cute. I love this pop. When I saw it, I was like, adorable. And then I didn't get it. And I was like, shit. Alright. Next up, we have a box from Target. What did we get from Target? What did we get from Target? We got the Target exclusive Hobgoblin from Spider-Man. I like saying the word hobgoblin. Hobgoblin. It is the, it's the Hobgoblin from Spider-Man. That's all I gotta say. You know, that's whatever. Alright, next box we have from Target. We have Dr. Octopus from Spider-Man, obviously. It's a Target exclusive. Doc Ock. Looks a little different from the original Doc Ock pop, but basically it's the same concept. It's Doc Ock. Can't really do much with changing his appearance because it's him. I don't know where I was going with that, but you get the idea. Alright, Next box is also from Target, and you'll never believe what it is. Spider-Man. This is the Target exclusive Spider-Man. I'm trying to like find things to say. I did go and watch the new Spider-Man, and it was a really good movie. I will say that much. But I was like, what am I? It's just Spider-Man. It's nothing. There's nothing special. It's just Spider-Man. But I did go see the new Spider-Man the day it came out, and it was really good. Like, really good. I'm glad I went and saw it. Alright, this is from Amazon. This completes my 3 Musketeer collection. 2021 Fall Convention. Goofy. I have Mickey and I have Donald over there. So, he will be going over there with them. So cute. And last but not least, we have a box from Poppin' Off Toys. Pre-ordered these a while ago. They just came in. I did open them because I pre-ordered something from Poppin' Off Toys a while ago, and it still has not shipped. I thought this was it. And it was not. But nonetheless, still some really cool pops that I'm excited to get. If you guys didn't know, I am an affiliate with Poppin' Off Toys. You can get a 10% discount if you use code AMYSSA10. Follow the link in my description down below. And check them out, guys. I actually went and visited them back in August. Some really cool people. Really sweet. Loved it. Check them out. Anyways, back to the pops. It's adventure time. We got the Adventure Time pops that just released a few months ago. This is Finn the Human. And his little armor stuff. Look how cute he is. And then we have Lumpy Spice Princess and her trash bag dress and her wonderful lipstick. We have Princess Bubblegum in her t-shirt that Marceline gave her. I love that episode. She's like, oh, you stole the t-shirt. It's so cute. Look at her. And then we have Jake the dog. This is so cute. Look at him sitting there. I love that. And then lastly, we have Bimo with his little chef hat and stuff. Look how cute he is. Bimo. Yeah. Okay. But that's all I have for today, guys. Thank you guys so much for being here. I really appreciate it. And like I said in the beginning of the video, don't forget to check out the links down below. Got a lot of cool stuff down there. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I really appreciate it. I'm going to go get a Band-Aid for the cut. I'll see you guys next time. Bye. Anyways, we're going to go ahead and open both of these boxes and see what we got. Okay. So I'm seeing some Overwatch stuff. Lots of Overwatch stuff, actually. So this says Blizzard Entertainment. I'm pretty sure, yeah, that's the Overwatch symbol. Series 5 Overwatch Edition, cute but deadly. It's a mystery toy. I don't really want to open it for the fact that I'm not going to be keeping it. Because I don't like Overwatch, so I don't want to keep it. And, so I'm just going to sell this, and then whoever gets it can open it. Collect all 18 badges. Okay, is this like a Overwatch thing? Maybe. I don't know. I'm really confused on what this is. I think this is something that like my dad ordered and sent to me, because he does that sometimes. So I'm slightly confused on what's going on right now, but I am going to open this because I want to know what I got. Okay, Blizzard Entertainment. Badge, booster pack, collect all 18 badges. Okay, so it's like little badges from something. Cool. Yeah, little badges. Yeah. And then this one's a pen, and I'm obsessed with pens of any sort. So I want to know what this is. I like pens. Come on. I'm gonna cut myself. Concentration, I guess. Okay, so it's a little robot dude. See it? little robot dude. Okay, cool. I mean, I don't know what they are, but cool. Alright, then we have an Overwatch Funko Gingy. I don't know Overwatch. I know it's a game, but it's not something I'm into, so. And then we have Overwatch. This is definitely Funko Blizzard exclusive. Okay. I still don't know what the hell this is. Funko Blizzard exclusive Reaper glow in the dark Overwatch. I'm really confused on what this is. I'm gonna keep saying it because I don't know what's going on. I don't know why everything's Overwatch. I don't like Overwatch. This is not Overwatch. This is a Blizzard Entertainment exclusive Murloc. It's the World of Warcraft. He looks like he came out of his... There we go. I don't like that either. So all of these will be available in a Whatnot auction. And then we have a Overwatch plushie. It's a Overwatch plushie. Yeah, that's what it is. Cool. I wonder if the pins and the badges are the same. Let's see. I mean, I assume they're not. But let's see anyways. No, they're not. Okay, so badges are different. Here's the badges we got this time. So I might put these on my jacket. And then, let's see what kind of pin we got. We got some big dude. Again, I don't know what this stuff is. Anyways, guys, if you guys know what this stuff is, I mean, I know what Overwatch is, I know what World of Warcraft is, but I don't know what the rest of this stuff is. So, this was fun. This was interesting, and I'm confused now. But, anyways, that was a really short video, because I don't know what to say about this kind of stuff. I'm confused on why there was 2 boxes that had the same exact stuff in it. I'm confused on why I have 2 boxes full of Overwatch products. And I'm just confused.